A flood warning was issued on Friday, August 20th for Saint Lucia from 2 p.m. until midnight. Scenes of submerged roadways and communities flooded our news desk as the nation was battered by the unrelenting torrents of a tropical wave.
Well, right now we've been affected by a tropical wave that actually went through last night.
Lightning strikes illuminated the dark, overcast skies as the concursive sounds of thunder cracked the air and shook the ground below, reverberating through buildings and other structures. In some parts of the island, people and cars waded through the rising waters to get to their destinations. It has been raining continually for days, and now more heavy showers and thunderstorms are forecast for Saint Lucia for the entire weekend. Friday's deluge not only triggered floods, but caused low visibility. The director of the Met Services says a reprieve should be expected on Saturday. However, this break is expected to be short-lived.
We should be getting a break tomorrow, but the atmosphere is sufficiently moist that we could get showers on Saturday also, but not to the extent that we get in today. And on Sunday, we're expecting another tropical wave to come through. So for the entire weekend, we will be getting some wet conditions.
A tropical depression back on August 14 dumped heavy rainfall on the island, triggering land slippages in the Bocage area, which was compounded by poor drainage, leading to a whole structure almost being gobbled up by the earth movement. The general public is reminded to be on guard with the Atlantic hurricane season now in full swing.
Tropical waves are a regular occurrence, so persons should take heed, especially when you're in the rainy season, that flooding is part of the wet season, and you should have all your drains cleared, the trees trimmed, and all the necessary precautions when you live in low-lying and flood-prone areas, and also landslide-prone areas.
All residents of Saint Lucia are asked to pay attention to further announcements from the Saint Lucia Met Services and NEMO.
Even if it is the weekend, we should still listen to the weather report, because normally we make plans for the weekend and we do not include the weather, and that's a big part of our lives.
Residents and motorists, especially those in areas prone to flooding and landslides, are urged to exercise extreme caution as adverse weather continues to affect the island. Sulaj Alfred, HTS News Force.